In this video, I'm going to share some advice with you that's going to help you start your YouTube channel on the right foot to set you up for success. Now, a lot of my friends have started creating YouTube channels and they always ask me, what's the first and most important thing I need to do when I've started my YouTube channel? And I'm going to share that advice with you in this video. Let's get into it. So the most important thing that you need to do when you're first starting your YouTube channel is to find a focus. Find an interest that you want to create videos for. The reason why you want to create focused videos in the beginning is when someone arrives on your channel homepage or they start watching one of your new videos because it's been recommended to them, you want them to know straight away what to expect from you. So if you're creating videos about running, and then you're creating videos about hiking, and then you're creating videos about coffee, and your next video is about your holiday to Disney World, people aren't going to know what to expect, and they're not going to keep coming back to watch your content. If you create focused content in a very specific niche, for example, if you create videos for bass fishermen on how to fish in dams to catch bass, and all of your videos are based around this topic, any bass fisherman that watches one of your videos is going to subscribe to your channel, which means you're going to get more subscribers, and he's going to keep watching every single new video that you release because he's interested in that topic, which means YouTube's going to start recommending your videos to more fishermen because they know that a fisherman is watching your videos. If you spread out your videos too much, YouTube's not going to know who they should recommend your videos to, and they're not going to be able to push your content to new viewers to help you grow your channel, get you the views that you actually deserve, and start making money with your YouTube channel. If a brand comes along and finds your YouTube channel and they want to do a brand deal with you, they know exactly what you stand for and whether your YouTube channel is going to give them good traction in the area that they wanted for their business. That's why whenever I'm helping someone start a YouTube channel, we always define the exact topic or interest that they want to cover. What I really like to do is dig in a whole lot deeper, and this is what we do in our courses, and I'll leave links for you in the description down below, is we help people define the exact problem that they are solving. So what problem are you helping people solve? On this channel, we help people start and grow their YouTube channels quickly and easily so that they can get the views that they deserve and start making money on their YouTube channel. So we can't go out and create videos on how to do Instagram Reels because that's not relevant for the people watching our videos. We need to stay focused so that people know exactly what to expect when they come along and start watching our videos. Now, a lot of new YouTubers feel like they're limited by focusing their videos. This is just in the initial phase of building out your YouTube channel and building out your influence. Once you've established yourself as a brand, then you can start branching out and creating different videos to see what other topics your audience actually wants to engage with. If you want to take it to the next level, and this is a power tip, so get a pen and paper out and write this down, is merging two interests. If you can combine two interest groups, then people feel like you're talking exactly to them. A good example of combining interests is hiking and coffee. So if you can pull those two together in a video, or the love of the outdoors and health and fitness. So if you can create adventure series around health and fitness, and go and look at the latest one from Life Full of Zest. Yeah, she has an amazing adventure series with her twin on the coast of South Africa. So if you want to check out that series, we'll link it here and in the description down below. If you have any questions about finding your focus on YouTube or really defining your niche and the problem that you solve for your audience, you can ask me those questions in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. If you like this video and it added value, make sure you smash that like button because that lets YouTube know that it needs to push out our video to more people. So that's much appreciated. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next video.